to have you back, Ratchet.
Thanks, Ilaris. What's the latest?
I managed to decrypt Nefarious' files from Drug Industries. Bad news. His next target is Umbris.
The core of Umbris is pure tetragen. Detonating it would be disastrous. According to the Solana celestial calendar, there is a major conjunction of every planet in the system tonight. If Umbris is destroyed, it will take the entire system with it.
Dr. Nefarious has just been using Trek. He wants the system destroyed under the Ranger's watch.
I have a plan to destroy the planetizer for good, but this time we'll need to take a more covert approach. I'm going to need a few things first. Head to the Gadgetron headquarters on Kalebo 3, and I'll send you further instructions.
In order to defeat Chairman Clank, you will need something from Kalebo, a Gadgetron Hollow Guard.
It appears the Blarg have invaded this sector. Attacking the Gadgetron weapon stockpile.
Attention, Gadgetron employees! We are currently in the midst of a major security breach at our factory. All non-essential personnel are to vacate the building immediately while we destroy
The bridge. Well, let's see if we can get moving. Look at that rail. Wonder where it leads.
Has eaten my assistant Diane's tuna fish sandwich. A sandwich that was barely labeled and left in the employee fridge. Today's invasion does not excuse more than.
Use your Omni Wrench.
I just wanted to take a moment and recognize our employee of the month. Give a good pat on the back to Gelford Sprignackle. Gelford is... what's that? Dead? Oh. I've just been told Gelford has been taken prisoner by the Blarg and likely sent to one of their work camps. So, we will have a new employee of the month in just a moment.
Ratchet, come in. How's it going down there? Did you get the hollow guys?
Not yet, but we're working on it. Just had to take care of a few things first.
Copy that. Good luck.
Security barrier disabled. which we call the Black Hole of Progress. Unofficially, of course, because Black Hole of Progress is still unapproved by legal. Sheepinator test chamber has been closed. Due to rampant sheepinating. Enter at your own risk.
Oh, looks like the Blarg tried breaking into that sheepinator. Excuse me, fellas.
I told you, the Groomatron room is not a place to hold your parties. Clear out of there this instant. There's an assault going on.
Good work, Ratchet. The thruster pack is quite a handy device.
One employee has asked if our healthcare plan covers injuries sustained during the assault. The answer is maybe.
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Death trial.
Complete.
Send security box to the Warbonder testing area. Our stockpile must not fall into wrong hands.
Volunteer detected in Pyroster room. Prepare for annihilation.
rotate this room.
It looks like our attempt to call not involve unplugging and replugging. They're helpless, but without it.
Volunteer detected in fusion grenade test lab. Initiating death trial.
Well, should be easy to bleep these guys.
Oh, Ratchet.
That's the last of the blarg.
Volunteer detected in fluffy bunny room. Prepare to play with adorable bunny rabbits.
That doesn't sound so bad.
Correction. The fluffy bunny room has been relocated to Sector 12. Initiating death and dismemberment protocol.
Of course.
For participating in the Gadgetron weapon test. Your 10% off coupon will be mailed to your home address within 5 to 7 years.
Well, now that that nightmare is over, let's find that hoverboard course. You have to be close to it now.
Let's have a chat. I don't believe it! Ratchet and Clank here at Gadgetron! The name's Wendell Lumos. I'm the CEO of this fine company.
Huge fan of your weapons, Mr. Loomis. Listen, Clank and I are on a mission to save the galaxy, and we need one of your hologuises.
I'm afraid we're out of that product. Those darn blarg have been raiding our stockpiles. Minor security issue, certainly nothing to make public. We still have the prototype, but it's now a prize in our hoverboard competition.
Are you still accepting new competitors?
Of course, but as you can see, we're having a little bit of a flood problem. The blarg bombed our dam this morning. I don't suppose you have a hydro displacer, do you? just been notified that our security drones have cleared the hoverboard course. This means we will be moving forward with our competition. Ready, set, go! Ratchet is now in last place. Now, punch it open. Don't forget, the winner gets our most valuable product, a prototype hollow guy. Ratchet takes the lead! Ratchet is now falling behind! We have a shiny new hollow guy waiting for our winner! Congratulations! Here's your hollow guys. Do me a favor. When you use it, post your thoughts on the social medias. The kids love their social medias. Hashtag Gadgetron.
Alaris, come in. We've got the hollow guys.
Nice! Head back to your ship. I'm just putting the final touches on our assault plan. I'll brief you when you're there.
We qualify for the next cup race.
Contacted ours.
All right, Rangers. I think I have a plan for how to take down the Deplanetizer once and for all. By energizing the hollow guys Ratchet and Clank acquired from Gadgetron, they'll actually be able to become Captain Quark for a short period of time. While in disguise, they should be able to get past the Deplanetizer's primary shields.
Greetings, citizen. I'm just here to use your weight room.
You're clear, Captain.
From there, they'll need to access the Deplanetizer's Starcracker room. The Deplanetizer uses a gravity stabilizer to position itself over its target. By extracting the stabilizer, the Deplanetizer will drift off from its target and become vulnerable to our attack. Once Ratchet and Clank give the word, we'll activate our new map boosters, flip the Deplanetizer, and save the galaxy!
Copy that, Alaris. We're on our way.
Let's pick a new planet.